And here's how to delete Bluesky social account. Go ahead and open your Bluesky and make sure to sign into the account that you want to delete. Now tap on the more icon. Here tap on settings. From settings, tap on account. Under account settings, tap on delete account. And here, to delete account, you have to verify your account email address first of all. So tap on send email. And now, you'll get a verification code to your account, email account. So let's go to my Gmail and let's collect the code. So here we can see the message, account deletion requested. I'm just copying this code from this mail. And let's go back to Bluesky app. Here, I'm just pasting my code. And now you have to also verify your Bluesky account password. So write here your account password. And then just tap on delete my account. And that's it. As you can see, I've successfully deleted my Bluesky account permanently. Thanks for watching.